and carried all types of people. Wengine ni the ones who others were just to destroy, nothing else, and they have carried. Hata mkiangalia hapa mnaona ile hasara wameweka. Hii ilikuwa manyumba ya walimu, walitafuta miuni, the arsonist, all kind of bad people come and burning churches, school, precious school like this. It's very, very, very unfortunate. And we're asking dearly, are we in Kenya? As a church, the community has let us down completely. Because when this land was given by the Anglican parents, they wanted the church to establish an institution of learning so that their people can be able to be assisted, to be educated. Kwangu hatuna security kwa sababu tumeachua kivyetu. Hakuna security hata kidogo iko hapa. Lombi yangu mimi ningeomba serikali, Ministry of Interior, tafadhali let them come and assist us in this place because we feel that we are not given any security. Askari walikuja wakaona vile kumetendeka, lakini baadaye waliacha so that wakapatia nafasi hawawezi kuendelea kuchukua mali. Na wamechukua kila kitu. So according upon the Ministry of Interior to come and assist